Stop scrolling. You found the right place. We are going to use our Chatterbox TTS to take this man's voice.
Every rep that I do gets me closer to accomplishing that goal, to make this goal.
And we are going to put it over this scene here.
It's the east. Juliet is the sun. Arise, first.
What light through yonder window breaks? Well, we'll find out here. Hang out. We're going to go step by step. I'm going to actually record everything I'm doing so that you can do the same. Hang in there. Hey. Welcome to Get Going Fast, where we're getting into this AI hobby in a fairly quickly and efficient manner in which you might learn something, okay? And one of the big things that we learn at Get Going Fast is to get your system set up correctly so that then you can play with all this stuff. The Get Going Fast method is really about doing stuff, taking the time at the beginning so that then the rest of everything else is smooth sailing. So as I mentioned, I'm going to actually walk you through myself doing a project. We're going to use the voice of Arnold here, and what we're going to do is we're going to put that over top of a Romeo and Juliet thing. So he's like, oh, Romeo, Juliet, wherefore art thou? That kind of stuff. We're going to give it a try, and I'm going to walk you through each step of what I do so that you can see my process. All right, and then perhaps you can do the same. I will tell you, with open source stuff, you get fantastic quality of things, but usually there's a few more steps, right? When you're paying for stuff online, it's usually because they've automated every single thing. The beauty here is that we can do the same stuff if we're willing to take a little bit more time, a little bit more steps. But to do so, you got to know what steps to take. So let's do it right now. Jumping in head first. Don't even look. Let's go, YOLO. First thing we're going to need to do is actually get the sounds, the MP3 files that we're going to be using. So you're going to need to get your something like ClipChamp. ClipChamp's free from Microsoft. That's what I use for a lot of stuff I'm working on. And you're going to have to get some videos. Now, I cannot show you how to get these videos because I don't want to get in trouble. So you just have to find something online. It's just one of those things. It's kind of taboo. The powers that be, the tech overlords, don't like showing how to download videos. So we're going to go ahead and just assume that you can figure out how to get your videos. Then all I'm going to do is I'm going to use my ClipChamp over here, and I'm just going to drag, say, the first video. This is the one that I want to get some sound from. So let's just scoot forward. What I want to do is find about 10 seconds worth of good video where you're not hearing the sound of the crowd, where there's not a fan going on, and there's not a lot of music, okay? Now, that can actually be a difficult thing because a lot of these videos, you have background noise, or they've put like the piano playing. It will not work for you guys because the application we're going to use will take those other sounds and say that's what the voice is. So you need to get clear sound, all right? So what I do is I go in here, play a bit, find a good section like this.
6 hours a day. I'm going to do the same thing now for acting. And of course, I went to college.
Okay, that looks like a pretty good section there because he's getting a lot of his accent. So I'm going to put that there. I'll pull this up to here. Okay, so what I did is I just cut that. All right, or I just trimmed it. Let this run for about 10 seconds.
I didn't.
Okay, notice here I messed up and you've got crowd applauding, so we've got to fix that. So let's get through there.
And when everyone said no, and it can't be done, and I became governor of California, and this is with everything like that. This is just the reality of it, is that you cannot listen to the naysayers. So this is a very important lesson for all of you.
Okay, so that looks to be about good. So I'm going to scroll in, and we can just, we should be able to... Here, we'll split it right there and then delete that. Okay, so now I've got, actually, it's a 20-second clip. It's even longer than I need, but that'll be fine. So here's what we have to do next. Now that we have the length we want, we just got to click the export, and I'm going to click more options. I'm going to go audio only. Okay. Okay, I don't want to store it in the crowd. And let's just go ahead and click export. Okay, so that should export that. So if now notice this one saved it as an M4A. We'll see if that works. If it doesn't work, we'll convert it. But let's open it up and see if it worked.
Didn't listen to those losers. I didn't listen to them at all. Because that's exactly the way it was in politics.
Okay, so there you go. So that worked. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing. I'm going to go back to keep editing. This time what I'm going to do, though, I'm going to do this, and then I will throw in the one with Romeo and Juliet. So we got to find the place we want.
Hell with grief.
We want to find where she's like, Juliet's
Arise, fair sun.
East and all that.
It's the east.
There it is.
Soft. What light through yonder window break?
Okay, so. All right, so we're going to go ahead and grab it right there. Push that over there, and I think that should be enough.
What light through yonder window breaks?
Okay, there we go. We'll let it go a little bit longer. He's the east.
Juliet is the sun.
Juliet is the sun. My goodness.
Arise, fair sun.
Okay, we'll go ahead and put it there. So let's put that down there. Same thing now. We're going to click this, and we'll export this one. Same thing. I'm going to just choose audio only, export that mad mamma jamma, and we should be ready to go. Like I said, if those files, they came out in a M4A format, if that doesn't work, we'll easily convert them. So next thing we need to do is open up Chatterbox so that we can start the process. So let's pop over and start doing that. Over here, I have actually it ready to go with the Get Going Fast installer. So all I'm going to do is click that run, and that's going to pop up this window. So now I can choose here between just my straight TTS, my faster DTS, different languages, or voice conversion. What we're going to want is voice conversion. So I'm going to hit 4, okay? And that's going to go ahead and start loading up the browser. Now, this is not in Comfy UI. I know I keep switching over to that view for some reason. But it is not the case. In fact, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Get Going Fast Pro here, and you'll find that if you want to do this the same way as me, just go ahead and type do a search for Chatterbox, and grab this Chatterbox for Windows. All right. And if you are a member, you just can download this straight up and it will install. If you want to buy it one off, you can, you're welcome to, of course. You can click over to getgoingfast.pro here and click on the tools there. If you do a search for Chatter, you'll find the Chatterbox for Windows. This is actually what I'm using. If you're a member, you can download this, and it'll install and run as easily as I am doing right now. Otherwise, what you need to do is you'll need to do the manual install, which is fine. Okay. And I made a video on that here just the other day. So you can go find that and run it manually. Either way, we need to get this bad boy running. And when it does, it's going to give us this little command here to open it up in a browser. So I'm going to hold down. Notice when I put my finger over it, it becomes underlined. Sometimes they don't do that. And when they don't do that, you have to actually copy it and paste it. Otherwise, so I just want to take my pinky, hit that control button, and click. And then guess what? It pops us right on up to here. So now from here, it's just a matter of putting in the voices. So let's say input audio file. This is the one that we're going to want to put the Juliet stuff in. So let's go ahead and grab that M4A. Okay, it looks like it loaded. That's good. Let's hit play just to confirm.
Soft. What light through yonder window breaks?
Okay, there you have it. So now let's go ahead and go get Arnold over here, and we'll confirm that that is him.
I didn't listen to those losers. I didn't listen to them at all.
Okay, and there we have that. So let's just hit the generate button, and let's see what let's see what happens. Let her ride. Well, that took just a few seconds. Let's see actually how it turned out.
Soft. My life free on the window breaks.
Okay, so that's okay. It's not the greatest. That's one shot voice conversion though. I did another one over here. Let's check really quickly. Tried to use.
Politics again.
I put Arnold's voice as the target, and I put the president's voice as the one that we want to be saying.
Captivated the attention of the whole.
Okay, now something interesting happened here. When I put them together, it actually blended. So if you watch, it kind of sounds like a cross between the president and Arnold.
And listen to those losers. I didn't listen to them at all, because that's exactly the way it was in politics.
So that's kind of interesting. That's kind of like a blend of the two people. So I have used this successfully with my own voice, doing things. And so really it's going to come down to finding voices that are compatible. Again, as I've mentioned in the past, this truly isn't voice cloning. This is voice mimicking. Okay, voice cloning takes hours of perfect digitally, perfect audio to really get something on it. So this is kind of a one-shot thing. Tell you what, even if you can't get the exact voice on here, this is a nice way to blend voices and get a unique voice that you could use copyright free. Hey, okay. But I think what we'll do really quickly, let me show you. This was the voice conversion, and it worked okay. Let's really show you the quick text to speech one, and then we'll wrap this bad boy up. I'm going to go ahead and close out the current session, and I'm going to go back here and I'm going to go run the thing again. That, of course, is going to bring up this window over here. And yet again, we'll just click the one. This time I'm just going to grab the Turbo TTS. Now, if you don't have this installed, if you haven't downloaded it yet, this will actually download the models for you. And then once they're done, so it'll actually sit here for a little bit while it downloads. And then when it's done, she'll pop back up. So all we got to do is just click back to our browser. All I need to do is hit the refresh, and it's going to open up a new screen. So this is our first one. Up here, we put the words again, and then I could just go ahead and let's grab Arnold's voice. I think that's right here.
Of it is that you cannot listen to the naysayers. So this is a very
okay. So that's hilarious, Chuck. Well, what we could do is go something like this. We could go over to ChatGPT, and we'll say, "Give me 2 sentences about get going fast." Okay, and so it'll give me a little something, and we'll just copy and paste that bad boy. And then let's head back on over to here, throw it in. We've got Arnold. I could even add a few things like, okay, and we'll just go ahead and click the generate. This really shouldn't take very long, even with all of my AI stuff going on in the back. Goes pretty darn fast. So there you have it. Let's click it and see how it sounds.
Get Going Fast helps regular people understand AI in a practical, hands-on way without getting buried in setup headaches.
Okay, that was okay. Let's try one more. Let's go ahead and put in Trump again, the president. Let's see how that one works.
Get Going Fast helps regular people understand AI in a practical, hands-on way without getting buried in setup headaches.
Okay, so that was a lot better. And I'm going to tell you, guys, the secret to this really is to actually make your own voices. Very cool stuff about this is all given a license, so whatever voices you make, you own. Okay? Now, obviously, if you're going to be doing the president or doing stuff like that, it's not going to be perfect, and you're obviously not going to own that. In fact, a lot of times with these text-to-speech things, they purposely nerf it. Nerfing means you take something that works and you make it not work so good. And they purposely do that with these voice cloning things because they're concerned about deep fakes, that sort of thing. But I am telling you that this program works good with the speeches, all of this. Go ahead and make your own voices with it. use the voice conversion to blend it. If you got a project and you want to try to use a celebrity with it, then do it. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. When you get down to making your avatars though, and you've got like, hey, this is the voice that I want to use, this thing is going to be spot on fire for you. All right. So, all right. Well, I'll tell you what, we'll end it there. And maybe the next video, what I'll do is I'll show you how to take a voice and put it into LTX and make an avatar. Okay, so hang in there for the next one. I do appreciate you liking the channel, subscribing. We're growing. It's exciting. And guys, I think we're going to be growing in different ways. I'm very excited to be on this journey with you because, you know, good journey equals good company. And you guys are good company. So thanks for making it enjoyable along the way. All right. With that said, we're out of here. So get outside today, touch grass a little bit, breathe a little air, and then come back in and sit down for the next 10 hours on your computer, right? And then you can at least say you touched grass. All right. Be good to yourself, be good to others, and we will catch you on the other side. Hail.